So I'm in the middle of packing to go see XG in Seattle. You'll probably see a vlog of that too. But we're not talking about XG right now. We're talking about Treasure. Now, I wasn't able to go to their concert here in California, but my homie slash producer of my podcast, Ultimate Bias Podcast, or Ultimate Bias K-pop cast, which you guys should be checking out, link in the description down below. She also is the moderator for the Grammy Museum. She interviews K-pop idols or just talented artists at the Grammy Museum, and it's like this intimate like space too. Shout out to her because she didn't have to invite me, but she did, and I got to witness Treasure. I've been everywhere. My schedule is kind of crazy right now. I couldn't miss this, so I collected a few clips. You know, sometimes I like just enjoying in the moment without recording, but I had to record. So they performed as well. We had a very intimate Q&A. I'll provide some few clips, and they got to perform like 3 songs. So without further ado, here is some Treasure.
Do you want to do your intro?
그룹 소개할까요? 단체 인사할까요?
Hello, find your treasure. Hello, we are treasure. The bottom, those pants. The $100,000. Hold on a second.
1, 2, 3. Which member do you trust to protect you?
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Like this.
We actually play Lotus during our waiting times. And yes, it might look like we're fighting, but it actually does bring us together. And so, yeah, we play that, and we often have fun times while we're in the waiting times. It's like a side game.
TFT?
in League of Legends.
TFT? Yeah, TFT. That's my type of game.
Instagram, we told you everything. Yeah, absolutely. For real. Huh? Did you not believe me? Huh? I went to go Universal Studio. Yeah, I went there and then no, I just care. What can I say? I just love USA. Yeah, everything.
주세요.
So sorry, we don't have anything. So sorry. 근데 둘 중에 하나? 있긴 한데 둘 중에 하나. 소리 or 행동? 오케이. 어차피 몰라요.
They won't know, so you guys can share it.
Just one sound or one gesture. That's it.
소리 하나만 아니면 행동 딱 하나만.
Gesture. Only gesture? Yeah, gesture. I think gesture is best. I think. Okay.
뭐 있어요?
You have one?
왜다
뭐예요?
쫓아와요?
그러니까 컴백에 관련한 뭐 소리 하나라든가 제스처 하나로 하는 뭔가 확정이 된 게 아니다 보니까
그러니까 이게 좀 조심스러워서.
소리를 만약 드렸다가
거짓말이
거짓말이 되면
저희가
진짜.
거짓말한 게 되고
맞아.
근데 또 이제 서울 마포구에는 뭔가 이제 좀 뭔가 일이 자주 바뀌는 상황들이 좀 생기기 때문에 이게 또 저희가 이렇게 막 이렇게 자신 있게 좀 말씀드리기 좀 어렵습니다.
So nothing is fixed yet. So if we give you guys something, and you know things change quite often, and so if we do that, then we'll become liars. So we can't share anything right now.
It's okay? Just do it. Okay, this year. Just do it. 당연한 거지만.
Just do it.
그러면 지금으로써
이거를
준규가 얘기해보자.
아니
Alright, so
제스처로 뭔가 음으로 말하면은
안돼.
제스처로 딱.
Yeah.
전 지금이 어떻게 진행되고 있는지 몰라요.
지금 진행 상황을
마지막
몰라.
업데이트가 나긴 해.
그거잖아요.
저도 몰라요. 아예.
나 알긴 해.
마지막 업데이트가
아 이게
내가
전체
그거긴 해.
바뀌었어요?
아 공지가 됐어.
alright, at this point in time, there's one gesture that we can share.
어나운스가 있긴
Right now.
했었어요.
아니 그냥 10명 다 같이 하고 그냥 딱 각자가 생각하는
각자 생각하는 각자 컴백씩.
Alright, so all 10 of us will do a gesture. We don't know if it'll match, but we're just gonna do it. One, two, three. What's that?
나도 몰라.
I don't
Yeah,
know.
yeah, kind of like this. Okay.
Okay, I guess we'll find out soon.
Yeah, yeah.
I guess we'll find out soon.
최근.
최근에요? These days. I tried studying English like these days.
I know it.
Yeah, these days 많이 써요. 그리고
I use these days a lot.
yeah. 그리고 I use a lot bro.
Come on, bro.
bro. 현상기 형한테 bro 많이 쓰는 것 같아요.
Yeah, he always
He's a
says
bro.
he's a bro, he's a bro. Yeah, like that.
저도 그 유니버셜 스튜디오 가고 싶어요. 그 원래 놀이기구 타는 거 좋아하는데 가가지고 한번 재밌게 놀고 싶습니다.
I also want to go to Universal Studios because I normally like roller coasters, so I want to go on trains.
Six Flags, Knott's Berry.
Six Flags is so fast. It's fast. Yeah, so fast.
Best?
그 식스 플라그라고 놀이공원이 있어요. 유명한 되게 무서운 게 많아요.
Six Flags?
Balance with another member. Who would you choose and what would you do?
다른 멤버랑 탤런트 한 가지를 바꿀 수 있다면 누구를 뽑아서 어떤 탤런트를 고를까요?
멤버죠.
멤버랑
멤버죠.
탤런트.
네.
저는 저는 뭐 정우로 노래 좀 불러보고 싶다.
I want to sing well. Especially in the U.S. cities, we are able to be really close, and so I was able to see a lot of people's eyes, look into their eyes.
로봇.
사이버덕.
I thought you said side dog.
Why?
왜 그걸 고르셨나요?
Why? Why Cyber Dog?
멋있어서 그 멋있는 거 좋아해서 그냥 뭔가 키우고 싶어요. 로봇.
I want to raise a cyber duck.
진짜 강아지는 지금 알러지가 있어서
I'm allergic to real puppies, so I choose a cyber duck.
Jacob?
네, 오늘 하루가
How's your day?
어땠나요?
Yes, man.
How was your day? 오늘은
Lately. How's your day? How is it going?
이렇게 그래미 뮤지엄에 와가지고 정말 이렇게 많은 이렇게 팀의 분들과 이렇게 뜻깊은 자리를 같이 하는 게 너무 행복하고 너무 좋습니다. 그래서 이따 남은 또 좋은 무대들 남아 있으니까 조금만 기다려요. 사랑해요.
Today, I had had a really great time being here with our treasure maker. This is a really meaningful time, and I am so happy. And we still have performances left, so please look forward to it.
Okay, everybody.
따뜻하게 날 불러주는 네 목소리에 하늘이 맑아진 게 느껴졌어. 이런 감정이 익숙하지 않아서 들었던 날 네가 옆에 웃고 있어줬지. 이런 설렘이 익숙하지 않아서 들리지만 내가 옆에 있어줄 수 있기. Hey girl, take it out. 너를 만나 시작됐어 나의 사랑의 계절. 내 맘 색깔은 yellow, yellow, yellow. 해가 지나 또 이대로 너와 살아들 계속. 너의 미소는 yellow, yellow, yellow. Okay. You know what I mean? Yellow, black, black, yellow. 동시에는 너랑 바뀐 채로. 언제부터 널 만나기서야 변하게 맘들 커져와 비오는 소나 사랑을 나게 된 건 모두 잊혀. 넌 내게 지쳐 같은 체인저. Rainbow 중에 yellow 이의 color. 처음에 내리고 누가 비가 내려도 break don't stop. 너에게로 직진 Everything alright 우리 둘의 행진. 감정이 익숙하지 않아서 들었던 날 네가 옆에 웃고 있어줬지. 그날부터 지금까지 미처 못했었던 말 이건 너한테가 생기니. 너를 만나 시작됐어 나의 사랑의 계절. 내 맘 색깔은 yellow, yellow, yellow. 해가 지나 또 이대로 너와 사랑을 계속. 너의 미소는 yellow, yellow, yellow. 색이 다 바랬던 이 세상 속에서 유일하게 찾은 빛. 그 어떤 미래도 저 멀리 있는 노래도 내 곁에 머물러 있어줘. 너라는 세계로.
Sing along, everyone.
It's love. It's love.
One more time.
It's love. One, two, three. 너를 만나 시작됐어 나의 사랑의 계절. 내 맘 색깔은 yellow, yellow, yellow. 해가 지나 또 이대로 너와 사랑을 계속. 너의 미소는 yellow, yellow, yellow. 우리 사랑은 계속 yellow, yellow, yellow. 낮에 따른 태양 새벽에 별 같아. 내 세상 속에 네가 매일 떠오르니까. You're magic in my mind. 정해지는 감은 없다고 하지만 수많은 생각해봐도 눈을 뜨고 태어났을 때부터 난 Let's go. Say wanna love ya. Yeah, yeah. Louder. Wanna love ya. Let's go. 혼내듯이 뒤고문이 조셔가지 혼내듯이 덮어줄 때 follow your lead 네 맘에 문 열어둬 파고들어 너의 core forever long as we get I'm running the ride 거슬러내 너는 전부 다 켜져의 표정을 나를 거야 자본의 꿈에나 갇혀 경찰들 액센트 knows 정해지는 면은 없다고 하지만 수만 번 생각해 나는 네가 태어났을 때부터 난 wanna love you yeah yeah louder wanna love you Push it up. I see the guy speed it up, speed it up. Speed it up, speed it up. Baby, you're all that I need. Make some noise. Burning in love, how you can put a chair when you're my adrenaline. Burning in love, 하얗게 불태워 you're my adrenaline. Let's go. L is still the best, y'all. Put him up like King Kong. Let's go. Gotta get it. Yes, I'm the king. What you want, you got it. Let me talk about it. Let me talk about it. Let me talk about it. 내 뼛속까지 차오르는 love. I wanna get it, wanna get some more. Break it down. This is what we came for, I'm gonna get on it. You just shake the ground, gonna break it down. Go. 심장은 실수 씹어라 팍팍팍 You drive me crazy and I can't control This one I can't fall Now we gotta get out there Gotta shake the crowd when I break it down Go 네 사랑에 숨 쉬어도 되는 세상에
See you again.
Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. This is your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dream, believe, do repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it, it might just come true. And if you want more content like this, let me know. Like this video. If you like this video, it tells me you want it. So, and commenting as well, and sharing, all the 9 yards. Subscribing. If you're already subscribed to your boy, then thank you first of all, and thank you for supporting for throughout the years. And it was nice meeting some of y'all at the venue. You guys are awesome. You guys still remember me. It's crazy. Anyways, till next time, everybody. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Hey yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of EXO Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now.